Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group in Chatgpt, how you can enable that option. It's pretty easy and simple. All you need to do is to watch this video till the end. So let's start our video. First, you need to open the Chatgpt application. Right here, you will find the option to create a group chat. Once you tap on it, it says use Chatgpt together and add people to your chats to plan, share ideas, and get creative. So this is best for the students who are working on projects, or if you want to just create something with your friends. All you need to do is to tap on start a group. Once you done that, it will create, but make sure that you have an account, like you need to sign in. So if you're not signed in, it will ask you that to create your profile first. So I already have it. Next thing is all you need to do is to invite with link the other people. So once you tap on that one, you can send the invitation link through the chats as well. You can just copy that one and send it by email as well. So once you send it and your friend get the link, they will join this group and you will have your chat right here in group, and then you can work together, create ideas together. So guys, this is all it takes to create a group in Chatgpt. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.